So today we will discuss about the topic carminative. Carminatives are soothing medicaments act by relieving pain in the stomach and intestine and expel gas from GI tract by peristalsis. So these carminative drugs, when you will administer the carminative drug, it will give soothing or cooling effect and thus relieves pain which is present in the stomach due to formation of gases and by expelling these gases by increasing peristalsis. The drugs comes under carminative are coriander, fennel, ginger, black pepper, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, asafoetida. So today we will discuss about the drug coriander. Synonym of coriander is Fructus coriandri or cilantro. Biological source: dried fully ripe fruits of Coriandrum sativum Linn. Family Umbelliferae. Fruit should contain not less than 0.3% of volatile oil. Geographical source: cultivated throughout European countries, Russia, Hungary, Holland. In India, it is widely grown in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Cultivation and collection of coriander fruit. It is a Rabi as well as Kharif crop. It needs light to heavy black soil. About 15 to 20 kg of fruits per hectare are required for cultivation, and sowing is done by drilling method. Crop is ready for harvesting after 100 days of growth. Seeds fall as soon as ripe and produce disagreeable odor. Plants cut down with sickles, collected and dried. Microscopy TS of coriander shows the presence of dorsal surface and commissural surface. Dorsal surface consists of two vittae and a carpopore, five primary ridges and four secondary ridges. Epicarp consists of single row of small thick-walled cell with calcium oxalate crystals. Mesocarp has an outer loosely arranged tangentially elongated parenchyma cells. Middle layer consists of sclerenchyma and is divided into two regions: outer longitudinally running fiber, inner tangentially running fiber. Vascular bundles are present below each primary ridge. Inner layer has polygonal, irregularly arranged parenchymatous cell. Endocarp has parquetry arrangement of cell. Testa has single layered yellowish cell. Endosperm is thick polygonal colorless parenchyma with fixed oil and aleurone grain. Now here you can find, this is the coriander fruit. This portion is known as stilo, and these are the primary and secondary ridges on the outer surface of coriander fruit. There are about 5 primary ridges and 4 secondary ridges, and it is when the TS of coriander fruit is taken, it has having dorsal and commissural surface. This portion is known as commissural surface and this is known as dorsal surface, and it contains two vittae on dorsal surface, and this is a carpopore. This portion is known as carpopore. And when you take the transverse section of coriander fruit and see under the microscope, this type of structure you will find under the microscope. This portion is known as epicarp, which is made up of single layer of thick walled cell which contains calcium oxalate crystal. Epicarp is followed by mesocarp. Mesocarp is made up of loosely arranged parenchymatous cells, and it contains, after that it is made up of three layer. Middle layer is made up of sclerenchymatous cell, Middle layer is divided into two regions. In that outer layer is made up of longitudinally running fiber, and inner layer is made up of tangentially running fiber. These are the vascular bundle. Below each primary ridge you can find here, these are the vascular bundle which shows pink in color due to deposition of lignin. And this one is endocarp. Endocarp is made up of parquetry arrangement of cell. And this is endosperm, which contains cellulosic parenchymatous cell and having fixed oil, and aileron grains are also present in that endosperm region. And this is a testa, which is yellowish colored single cell, and this portion is known as carbopore. So this type of structure you will find under the microscope. Now chemical constituent. It contains about 1% of volatile oil component, dextrorotatory, linalool, coriandrol. Other constituents are borneol, p-cymine, camphor, geraniol, limonene, alpha-pinene. All these are the important chemical constituents which are present in the drug. Now uses. Uses, it is used as aromatic. It contains aromatic substance and having aromatic flavor, aromatic in nature. Second one is carminative, which expel gases from gastrointestinal tract. Stimulant, increase the activity or stimulate the activity. Antispasmodic, it gives relief from spasm which may occur into the intestine. Diaphoretic, increase sweating. Externally for rheumatism in painful joint. Rheumatism is the condition when there is inflammation of joint as well as painful joint. So it will reduce the pain. Appetizer, diuretic, increase the flow of urine. Aphrodisiac, all these are the uses of this drug coriander. Now you can see the image of black pepper. These are the black peppers. Now biological source. It is the dried unripe fruits of Piper nigrum, belongs to family Piperaceae. Geographical distribution. It is native to South India, cultivated in Indonesia, Brazil, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Cultivation and collection in Western Ghats, Kerala, Karnataka and part of Maharashtra state, cultivated at 1200-meter altitude, and it requires a rainfall of 250 centimeter. The temperature which is required is 10 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature is required for proper cultivation of drugs. So these are the conditions of altitude, rainfall and temperature which is required for proper growth and cultivation of drug, and it is cultivated by seed sowing method or by cutting method. Chemical constituent, volatile oil 1 to 2.5%, philandrine, caryophyllene, alkaloids, piperine 5 to 9%, piperidine, pungent resin or starch. Uses, it is used as stimulant, carminative, aromatic, stomachic, condiment. And there are the certain substitutes and adulterants are given here of black pepper. First one is pepper pepper attenuatum, pepper brachystachymum, pepper longum. Now asafoetida. Here you can see the image of asafoetida, that is hing. Synonym gum asafoetida, devil's dung or hing. Biological source, it is a oleogum resin obtained by making incision from rhizomes and roots of Ferula foetida, belong to family Umbelliferae. It is native to Central Asia, Persia, Afghanistan and India. Collection and cultivation, plant is collected after 4 to 5 years, dried and packed in suitable container. Chemical constituent, it contains about 40 to 65% resin, 20 to 25% gum, volatile oil 4 to 20%, umbelliferone, di and trisulfide pinene, oil of asafoetida obtained from oleogum resin by steam distillation. So these are the important chemical constituents of asafoetida. Uses: it is used as carminative, nervine tonic, flavoring agent, intestinal antiseptic, also used in veterinary medicine.